Let's talk about how to professionally deep clean a stainless steel kitchen sink. Let's take this yellowish, greasy, dirty sink from this to this. A shiny, brand new looking, disinfected and deodorized sink. So when you're professionally deep cleaning a kitchen sink, here are the 4 things that you need to keep in mind. You want to go ahead and degrease, you want to sanitize and disinfect, and you want to deodorize so it doesn't smell bad, and you want to buff and shine. So let's get started with the things you're gonna need to get the job done right. So first you need some Dawn dish soap. You're gonna need this to thoroughly scrub and degrease the entire sink. Then you wanna go ahead with something, I love this product right here, Odoban. This product is great for disinfecting, sanitizing, and deodorizing. So that will definitely come in handy. Then of course you need a magic eraser or just a regular melamine sponge for working out imperfections or any sort of rust stains that your stainless steel sink has. Then you're gonna go ahead and use something for the stainless steel. I like using this product right here, the Total Solutions. It really helps you perfect the entire look and polish it up. And of course, last but not least, you always need a microfiber cloth. So let's get started. Let's get started with the drain plug. Make sure to put it in a bowl with cleaning solution and let it sit while you get started on the rest. This part here you can actually pop out and clean underneath, and I have another video for this. Let's get started with the Dawn dish soap. Don't be shy, put some of this in there, take the sponge and hot water and start scrubbing. Make sure you get every little part of the sink so it's thoroughly scrubbed down. Make sure to get under the ledges there as well if you do have some in your sink. For this portion, if you have a little rust buildup, the magic eraser works wonders. Now, kitchen sinks can get super dirty with bacteria, so make sure to use a great product like Odoban. Simply put it in a spray bottle and thoroughly spray the entire thing. Give it dwell time so the product can work. Now, simply clean the entire sink again with a microfiber cloth. Make sure everything is nicely buffed out, sanitized, and disinfected. Next step, take the Total Solutions. These things are miracle workers. They work super good on stainless steel and make it look brand new again. So as you can see, it almost has a greasy look to it a little bit at first. So you need to make sure you get this in all the grooves, and take a microfiber cloth once you've applied some of this, because the microfiber cloth will really help get into all the spots so you can shine up the entire sink. That way it looks brand new. There you have it. Nice and shiny, clean, deodorized, and disinfected.